I'm Nellie. Welcome to English for Mum. I'm so excited to help you learn English today. We'll start with simple phrases and build your confidence. Let's get started.
I haven't spoken to my father in 8 years. We had a fight. I left and never called. Every day I wonder if he's okay. Maybe it's time to reach out.
The rain was falling softly outside the small apartment. Daniel sat alone at the kitchen table, staring at his phone. It had been 8 years since he last spoke to his father. I wonder if he ever thinks about me. Maybe it's time to reach out. 8 long years filled with silence, pride, and regret.
Why is it so hard to make one phone call? Okay, deep breath, I can do this. Hello? Yes, it's me. I was wondering if we could talk.
He remembered the last time they spoke. Her words, like echoes, filled his mind. And he wondered, would they ever meet again?
I can't believe you did this!
I did what I had to do.
You ruined everything!
I was protecting you.
I didn't need your protection! You'll understand one day.
But Daniel, you were young and angry then.
So what, you think that excuses everything?
No, but you have to understand the context.
I don't care about your context.
Daniel, please.
You never understand me. You always try to control my life.
I'm just trying to protect you.
I don't need protection, I need freedom.
You don't understand the dangers out there.
You never let me try.
Daniel, wait, please don't go.
I have to.
I'll fix this, I promise.
It's too late. After that day, neither of them called.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm in. A short message? Last week? That's not like her. I hope she's okay. I need to call her now. Can't keep waiting.
All these years he had been busy with work, friends, and life. But deep inside there was always a small voice. It whispered doubts, growing louder with each passing day. He tried to ignore it, but it echoed relentlessly, demanding to be heard.
Call Dad, wrong number? Wait, this isn't right. Wrong number again! Tonight, the voice felt louder. I can't keep ignoring it. What does it want from me? Oh no, where's my father's number? It's not here. I can't find it. I must have deleted it. This is a disaster. Okay, think, where else could it be?
He slowly searched for the old number he still remembered.
There you are. I hope this still works. Hello?
Hi, Dad, it's me. How are you feeling?
Oh, much better now that I hear your voice.
That's good. I'll be there soon.
I can't wait.
See you soon. Hi, Dad, everything's fine. You sure? You sound tired. I'm fine, really. Just wanted to check in. All right. I was getting worried. Talk soon. Love you. Love you too. I can't tell you how sorry I am.
It's all right, son. We're okay.
I'm just glad we're talking again. Me too, son. Me too.
我很高兴你回来了。我也是，孩子。我们有很多话要说。是的，从头开始。
If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Hey there, let's dive into some vocabulary. We'll break down some really interesting words that will help you understand and express yourself better. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Regret is a feeling of sadness about the past. Even on a rainy night, memories can bring it back. Silence is a time when there is no sound or when people are not speaking. It is a state of no sound or when few people are speaking. Memory is something you remember from the past. It is the record of what has happened before. Memories can be happy or sometimes sad. Forgiveness means choosing to stop feeling angry at someone for what they did. It's about letting go of that anger for your own peace of mind. It's a choice that sets you free.
Second chance, 第二次机会, another opportunity to do something better after making a mistake. 在犯错之后重新再来一次，比起斜线的机会。
Apologize. To say sorry for something you did wrong. It's important to admit our mistakes. This helps us grow and build better relationships. So, always be brave and apologize.
Wow, so many words! I can learn them all! This is a second chance! So magical!
Hi everyone, it's time for our Q&A session. I'm so excited to hear from you and answer your questions. How long had the son not spoken to his father? Was it A, 3 years, B, 5 years, C, 8 years, or D, 10 years? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is C, 8 years, 8年. Let's keep exploring to learn more. Who sent the message to the son? A, his mother, B, his sister, C, his friend, or D, his teacher? Think you know the answer? Let's find out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is B, his sister. What news did the sister share? Was their father traveling, sick in the hospital, moved to another city, or lost his job? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is B. Their father was sick in the hospital. How did the son feel when he read the message? Was he happy, angry, surprised and worried, or excited? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is C. I'm surprised and worried. What important lesson does the story teach? Is it A, technology is very important? B, money can solve problems? C, work is more important than family? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is C. Family love and forgiveness matter. These are the values that truly hold us together. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. It's time to say goodbye for now. Goodbye! See you in the next lesson!